What's up, guys? So tonight we're going to discuss why Ethereum is overbought. We're going to start off on our weekly chart here on TradingView. So let's just count how many weeks we've been up. So we based out here back in, let me move this right here. So we based out back in July, on the 4th of July, and we've been up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row. All right, we've been in a pretty significant downtrend ever since about November is when everything peaked. November the 8th, to be exact. That's the date everybody needs to remember. Everything peaked then. You can go back, look at the NASDAQ, go back, look at Bitcoin, go back, look at the Russell 2000. I think the Russell 2000 actually peaked on November 8th. I think the NASDAQ and most of your big cap tech stocks were November 12th, 13th, something like that. But it's crazy how all these markets are interrelated to one another. All right, but back to Ethereum. So we're looking here. You can tell that we've had on these 4 weeks of major uptrend that we've gone up on increasing volume for the first 2 weeks, and we've kind of been dropping off in volume, and we've been getting less and less motion to the upside. So let's do a little bit of technical analysis just to prove our point a little bit. So what range are we retesting right now? So we're currently retesting the lows that held us support before. Let's call it 1750. Here at 1750, we hit our head on that whenever we first started the bull run, had a pullback, finally broke through it. We broke through it. That was our first time we ran up to 4,000. When we pulled back from 4K, we came all the way back down there, tried it once, tried it twice, tried it 3 times, and did our second rally back up to 42, 44, $4,500. Right? So we've currently blasted through that level. We found some support down here at our 200-week moving average. And how we're doing exactly what you would learn in TA to do. Right? You're coming back to the scene of the crime to retest the $7,500. And as of right now, it looks like it's holding as resistance. So if we wanted to just take a measured move, a guess to where we would go, whenever we would pull back off this measured move here, you would pull back and try to retest these lows. You'd go back, call it 1,000 for a round number. That's a big psychological level for most people. That is where you would expect Ethereum to come down to. That's a 70, that's a 40% drawdown. Let's actually measure it out. Let's get out of this full-time view right here. If we would go from where we're at today, 40% to $1,000. That's a 40% drawdown. So my advice, right, and this is not financial advice. This is just everybody has to make their own decisions. The odds are in your favor that you should be at least taking some profits off the table and to look to buy this dip whenever we come back down to retest this 200-week moving average at $1,200. By the time we get down there, it's probably be at $1,250. And if we don't hold there, Ethereum's going to the next level of support, $750. But we already kind of tested that. So your next level is $500. So if you don't feel comfortable with holding Ethereum from $1,700 all the way to $500, then you got some choices to make. Well, let me know what y'all think, guys. Leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a like. And I'll see you in the next one.